friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about the gap certificate. Everyone knows this because I have uploaded on the Telegram that I'm going to upload a video on the gap certificate. Now I just want to tell you that I'm going to start a QA session, okay, question and answer session, because I'm missing a lot of comments, guys, and I couldn't able to answer every comment, so I'm really sorry for that. And if you want your doubts and your queries should get solved, so I'll upload one video. On that particular video, write down your comments and comment me, okay. I will take the screenshot of all those comments and I'll reply in my next video. Every Sunday I'll be taking a Q&A session, so I'll be resolving all the doubts and queries on the Sundays, okay. So guys, if you comment me properly, I could able to solve your problems and solve your queries, okay. So this is what I want to say about. And if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, guys, because I'm doing a lot of help for you. I just need a subscriber, so please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Hit the bell icon so that you can receive all notification regarding master's education, okay. So let's start the video. We'll be talking about the gap certificate, right? So first, what you need to do, like is it necessary for 1 year gap certificate, how to apply, where to get this gap certificate, everything will be going to see this in this video, so stay tuned, connected with me till the end. Now your first question is it necessary? Yes, it is necessary to get a scholarship. If you don't want a scholarship, then don't apply for the gap certificate, even though if you are having gap, because if you are having gap and you're not justifying your gap by a certificate, then definitely you will not get a scholarship. And if you justify it through the gap certificate, like because of so and so reason you have took the gap, then they will give you the scholarship, okay guys. Otherwise you need to go with management, like that you have to pay whole fees. So better you make the gap certificate. Now how to make this gap certificate? Firstly, you need to whatever I'm saying, please note down it properly, and you can go through all my guidelines, okay. Now first is you need to go to Seva. When you go to Seva, okay, when you go to Seva, you ask gap certificate form, okay. You ask the gap certificate form. When you will ask the gap certificate form, they will give you a one form, and come to home, fill up that form, okay. Fill up that form totally. After filling up that form, go to the lawyer, okay. From there you take a affidavit, 20 rupees of affidavit. 20 rupees of affidavit you need to take. And when you take this affidavit, tell lawyer to write about your purpose of taking the gap, okay. You need to state from this year to this year I got a gap due to so and so reason. You need to mention it in the letter, okay. After that, third step is you need to take the gap certificate form, okay, whatever form you got from the Seva, and you need to take the affidavit, and you need to take a study certificate along with that, your study certificate and Aadhaar card, okay. These four things you need to take, and you need to go to the police station nearby, okay. What police station nearby? When you go to the police station, write a letter to SI, sub inspector. Write a letter for NOC certificate. NOC is nothing but non-objection certificate, okay, no objection certificate. So for this certificate you need to write the letter to the sub inspector, and they will take 2 to 3 days for approving this certificate, okay. You need to attach these things along with that. What? Study certificate, Aadhaar card, study certificate, Aadhaar card, or if you don't have Aadhaar card, you need to like attach your driving license and 2 copies of your this gap certificate form, okay. So you need to attach this everything, and lawyer's affidavit also you need to attach along with this to the SI inspector on the NOC letter, okay. After that, they will take 2 to 3 days to approve your NOC, okay. They will give NOC, no objection certificate. When they will give no objection certificate, what you need to do? So I'll be taking another video for how to write NOC letter. If you want that video, I will give the link in the description box. From there you can see how to write the matter for NOC, okay. I have wrote the matter, and you can write the same matter, just you can change the names in place of the name I have given, okay. Now after that, fourth step is you need to go to Seva. Again, When you go to Me Seva, you need to apply for gap certificate there. Okay, take all the certificates with you. Like what you need to take? You need to take NOC certificate, you need to take a lawyer affidavit, you need to take your study certificate, you need to take your Aadhaar card, and you need to take a gap certificate form. Okay, these all things you need to take and go to the Me Seva, then apply for gap certificate. When you will apply for the gap certificate, you need to go MRO office now, that is Mandal. Okay, Mandal office, you need to go Mandal office, and you need to give all the certificate, the form which you will get by applying the gap certificate, that form, and all the certificates together with these Xerox copies. You need to go to MRO office, and they will issue you a gap certificate. They will issue you a gap certificate. So this certificate is available on the Me Seva. So go to Me Seva again and take the print of the gap certificate, and this certificate is verified certificate and can work in any college. Did you get that? So this is the whole process of gap certificate. Hope you understand how to apply, and if you don't understand, go through my video again and note down the process, how to do this process and how to apply for gap certificate. So I'll be posting a video on NOC letter, how to write NOC letter, so that you could not be having a lot of thinking of how to write the NOC letter. Okay guys, and if you're new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends maximally. Okay, thanks for watching.